How to trade cryptocurrencies on Libertex. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the market section from the bottom bar to access all available trading instruments. Next, select the cryptocurrencies category to see the list of supported crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Browse through the list and choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Before placing a trade, check the chart and use indicators to analyze the market trends. You can view price movement, candlestick pattern, and apply technical indicators like moving average or RSI to help make informed decision. Once you are ready, tap buy or sell depending on whether you expect the price to go up or down. Enter the amount you want to trade, set stop loss or take profits level if needed, and confirm your trade. Your position will now appear in the trade section where you can monitor and manage changes. Now you know how to trade cryptocurrencies on Libertex. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.